Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear formatting in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. Say it's this one. And here it opens up like this. We just tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Then in the top row, go and tap on the letter A with some lines next to it. And here if you scroll down under text, we find clear formatting. If you tap on this, then everything that we did regarding formatting, the color, the text, the font, the text size, whatever, is going to be reset to the base setting in the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.